berm on the other side. So the only way in and out is through here, and they're going to have their salt storage and everything else on the back berm.